Okay, Samantha, how you get no English? Okay, how you get associated with Paragon after doing so many ads with other brands?
I haven't endorsed a footwear brand, and I'm really happy that they came forward to me because I think that it's a great honor for me to be associated with a very reputed brand like Paragon. Like it has been established that they are the leading manufacturers of footwear, and I'm really excited to be part of the brand as the TV series come out really well. It's in close association with my personality on screen, off screen as well. So I'm really happy with the output.
And in summers, what kind of footwears you usually wear? Color-wise and design-wise?
Well, in any kind of weather, I don't like heels, but unfortunately, in the profession that I am, I have to wear heels. So, Paragon is right up my alley in what my daily wear of footwear would be. It would be really comfortable, but at the same time, colorful and trendy.
And what about the heels?
Heels, about heels, as in you're asking
Yeah,
me?
that how comfortable you are wearing a heels
Like I
footwear.
said, I'm not very comfortable with heels, but the profession demands it.
And any summer tips and your fitness mantra?
Uh, Summer tips: drink a lot of water, and fitness mantra. Yeah, I don't think that I can survive without working out at least 4 days a week.
And in summers, what kind of what kind of dresses you think that's suitable when you go out, and anything which you cannot go without going out, taking without that.
Cotton clothes, and a lot of aloe vera.
And I mean, when you go out, what things you think it's very compulsory to carry?
Lip balm.
Summers.
Lip balm.
And your Bollywood projects,
No Bollywood projects.
Tollywood.
Well, my Tollywood projects are Manam, Rabasa, an untitled film with Trivikram and Allu Arjun, and another film with V.V. Naik as director. And in Tamil, I'm doing a film with Surya and one with Vijay.
And just a message to people, youngsters to vote. Importance of voting.
I think if you want change, you have to not just sit at home and talk about it. Go and vote to bring about change. And I sincerely believe that this year is going to have its maximum number of voters, and I'm really proud of that.
And this footwear, I just want to know, it's a Paragon.
No, it's not Paragon. It comes straight from shoot.